Look at this spot, see? This spot can't be trimmed by oneself. Leaving it like this for a long time, you see? It directly pokes into the facial features. Then this piece of meat takes some time to gather it, right? If you use this knife in my hand, see? The handle is made of steel and the blade can be freely replaced. You can click the small red packet below to take a look. Just follow this position. Don't trim too much. Don't trim from here. Make sure to trim from here and just remove the excess part. Look, the root is fine. The root is fine. Don't deal with the root. Don't cut deeply from here. It's useless. Just address the current issue, alright? With a knife in hand, I recommend solving the problem. Speaking of functionality, we can make one for you. A handle made of steel with 30 blades.
Then trim the excess a little.
Position it. I'll teach you to pad it with some cotton. Trim it a bit smoother. This tip, this edge must be rubbed. Then I'll teach you to pad it with cotton. Take a bit of cotton from the cotton swab, not too much. Place it in this gap. You can roll it a bit, but don't roll it too tightly. Just put it in this position, then find something sharp, or use this knife in your hand.
See, press it down, place it under the nail, see?
The cotton falls off, press it again, make sure it stays inside, and accurately place the cotton in this position so the nail doesn't grow downward but grows along the cotton. And when trimming, be careful not to trim too much.